Hey, my name's Steve. I'm a freelancer. I wanted to send you a quick video about with a very similar project that I work on currently. I developed it, but I still work it for this nonprofit. We do so. It started out being a bot detection thing because they were using too much CPU and going over their threshold on SiteGround. Turns out now we do weekly type of analysis of all the different hits that are coming to their website with it. But it's similar to yours because you're using CSV files, this which are essentially text files. This uses HTTP access logs. So what'll happen is the site administrator will give me a whole mess of HTTP access logs. We'll run it through. This is AWS, but right now it's just running locally using Docker Compose. So it could run on AWS. It could run wherever we want to run it. So the text files come in. It goes through an extraction and cleaning process, which is just a Python file, which writes it to an InfluxDB database, which is a time series database. So it takes care of all the timestamps, duplicate entries, all that kind of stuff for you, just by the nature of being that real-time time series database. And then it does a dashboard with visualizations using Grafana. I'll show you how it all works. So we got a directory here. It's got a data directory. Let's see. TD to the back end. LS the data. Wait. Where is it? I'm in the wrong place. Data. You'll see in the data is all of these different logs, and I'll show you what they look like. I'll just pick one. They're just the HTTP access logs from the server. So every time there's a web hit on it, it puts a log into that. So it'll tell you the operation, the URL that it came from, or the URL it's hitting, all that kind of stuff. What we do is parse that and create a measurement out of that to send to InfluxDB. I'll show you what the code looks like kind of for that. Let's see where I'm at. There I am. And I'm going to look into this right here. So we basically... where is it? Oh yeah, we had one of these. We create a bunch of points, which are just a bunch of different fields that are parsed out using regular expressions, like the HTTP version, status code, response size, whether it's a bot or not, the method like get, put, or etc., post, IP address that it's coming from, the user agent, all that kind of stuff. We parse out and we send that to InfluxDB as a particular point, a data point. So it gets that, and then we're able to do graphs off of that. So I'll show you how it runs. It's just a Python script. We take and we ingest all of these text files. You can do it other ways. I mean, we could automate that, but this particular user likes to download them and send them to me. So that's how it's done. And it's going to go through. It takes a little while to run, but it's going to go through, and this is right here. It's parsing. So it parses and grabs out all the data out of it. That'll take a little while. This is what the Grafana dashboard looks like. So if I refresh this, it would be empty. So I'm not going to do that right now, but I'll do that afterwards after that thing runs. But like this is showing you the number of views of the web page, the number of hits, the number of bot hits, the number of we had an issue with crons is because they were running every time a hit to the the website was happening. So we changed that. We were having performance issues based on that. We changed that into a cron that ran periodically. So we wanted to see like right up front what was happening there. The percentage of bot hits. It'll tell you status codes. IP addresses, so we can see if one IP address is, slamming us. bots that hit the calendar, because we're having issues like our calendar created a whole bunch of pages going forward, and a bot was hitting each one of those particular things and creating a lot of hits to the website. Hits by URLR, so we're able to see like WP cron, hey, that's using a lot or not. Different views on that, like the hits that are coming from the per user agent here. So this is saying it's 37% coming from Chrome. The hits trend over time, so we can see we have a nice steady number of hits from Chrome, and all of them are pretty steady. These are just hits, aggregate of hits. We get hits by URL, so this is telling us, hey, this particular URL is getting hit a lot, so watch out. It's causing a lot of CPU usage. By response size, didn't really do what I was expecting, but it's nice to have it there. Percentage of hits by bots, so Google bots hitting us the most. Occasionally, you'll have to monitor this regularly, because occasionally a new bot will get written and it'll just totally eat up all of your CPU. So we got some that aren't being listed, and that'll just take some time. So now we're sending chunks. So we're sending chunks actually to chunks of points to the InfluxDB. So this is going to the real-time database. So we can actually see, like, now it'll actually show data. So I can see it's not going to show it all, and I'll have to do something like the last 30 days here. Let me see. I can't seem to find it. I'll just say last 6 months. Now it'll go through and show data, because we'll be able to see how many hits we have, how many bot hits, how many cron hits, all this kind of stuff. So it'll fill it up. So that's basically how it works. Previously in the past, we had a real problem with this Meta web indexer bot. It was hitting us a lot, so that's why you get the 82%. I just wanted to show you that. This is very similar to what you're looking for with power instead of bot hits. CSV files, we could do exactly the same thing. We could give you a nice Grafana interface. We don't have to mess with writing code to display anything. We'll be able to do this very quickly and be able to have a nice setup for you. I'm very confident that we can get this done. So thank you.